We got a salad. How come it's so dark? It's because of the window.
Just move the little thing.
What little thing?
The little cover. If you want.
What are you saying, man?
Never mind.
I understand. So, these are like shrimp kebabs. Cheesecake. A sandwich. And pasta with macaroni. Let me do a thumbnail right here. I can't lift it up past the stupid ass steering wheel.
Why don't you just stand outside for a second and take a picture?
There. Because I don't care enough to. Look at this. And I'm lazy. Just kidding. I work every goddamn day. And I'm real lazy at work too. That's why I like my job too.
Yeah.
Because I already know what's up with it. What the hell? So I'm trying out this like it's
Those are usually either really
broccoli
good or really
or
not.
yeah, that's what I've noticed too.
Like if they don't season them right, then
it doesn't smell bad so far,
I
but
don't know why they make it so complicated to make those good.
yeah, it shouldn't be hard to make these.
Like at any store, they're either really yummy or not at all.
Yeah.
Like this doesn't taste like anything.
So let's try this out first. It's like broccoli and pasta and chicken. No, there's no chicken in here. Let me try a piece of broccoli.
Good. As soon as I heard the crunchiness, I was like, oh, it's probably because the best ones, like they've like steamed.
They're soft. Yeah, they steamed it. But I have ranch in this other one. I can eat it with the ranch. It's not that bad.
It seems decent. Yeah.
It's not the best.
Yeah.
But
like I said, as soon as I heard the crunchiness, I'm like, oh, that one's gonna be. It's not the best one, but it's gonna be decent probably.
yeah. This was $2.73 cash money.
Excuse
Bank notes.
Stupid.
It was done already, man.
Oh. These are trash right here.
Trash. Thank you. Which one should I try next? Comment down below which one I should try next. This shrimp kebab or this sandwich? Chicken salad sandwich. Comment down below and donate $1 today. Help support the starving people in California. Named Jared333. Yeah. So this one here is $4.99. I guess I'll try this one first. It's a chicken salad sandwich. Oh, that looks good. Look at that. Oh. With a croissant bread. Mmm. That is delectable.
That one seems good.
Yeah, it's fresh.
You know what it reminds me of? You can't think what it reminds me of.
No.
Just try it.
I kind of want mustard. I know. I have mustard.
Right there.
You have some?
Yeah.
Where? Oh, good. Yours is more accessible.
So you can't think of what it reminds. What you think I'm gonna say?
No, dude.
Come on.
How does this remind you of that?
The conventions.
Oh, no. Yeah, but no. Yes, but no, because, like...
I remember they had the sandwiches almost like it. They reminded me almost exactly like that.
I guess.
Dude, oh, shit. No. You can't use mine.
Why?
Give me...
Why?
I'm going to tell you. Press pause. It's not a big deal. I just do mine like this.
Yeah, a little bit, but yeah. What do you... All right, let me record. So we got some mustard on here, guys. And try it out. Mmm. Mmm.
That looks like nice.
Good. Very good.
How much was that one?
$4.99.
Dude, that's like cheaper than your job. That's like better.
Yeah. Yeah, this is healthier than most fast food.
But it looks better quality too. And it costs less.
Mm-hmm. It's healthier and it's cheaper. I'm trying to cover the thing because it's messing up my camera. Maybe it's better. trash.
Oh.
I'll fix it one.
Yeah, no, it's fine.
That was good though. I'm gonna have to get that one again.
It seemed legit.
That was fresh.
Mm-hmm. It seemed legit.
Wow. Yo, that was good. That was way better than the other thing. Than the pasta. But that mustard made it even better though. It fell by itself. You saw that?
Yeah, somebody was like,
And it even made a bing sound.
Yeah.
It went bing.
yeah, it was
Like what the hell, dude?
I thought something metal fell. It was just a hat.
I didn't. Neither of us were moving, and it just went like this. Look, it was sitting right here, and it went bing.
Just the hat. Just the hat.
Just the hat. There's something through it. All right, what's next? What's next on the menu? What we got next on the menu? Shrimp bites seafood special. All right, so we got some shrimp kebabs. These are $5.99. So this is more than that sandwich, and it's less filling. But you know, we're having a good day today, so we celebrating with a seafood meal. Shrimp kebabs. Check it out. And they give you like the smallest little thing here of whatever this is. Here, put that. Alright, so let's try this crap out. Oh, I thought it was gonna be like whole shrimp, but it's like shrimp salad thing.
Yeah, it's a little. It's not.
I thought it was like just stuffed shrimp in here.
No, that's what those are.
Yeah, the little like shrimp salad thing.
I know what they're called. Press pause.
Dumplings? It's not really a dumpling though, is it?
No, I know what it is, but I don't want to see it.
Okay, hold on, press pause.
You don't know what those are?
Guys, these are called pot stickers.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, I think they're pot. They're almost like a dumpling though.
But it's mostly.
But it's not. Well, I mean, inside is I guess like a seafood salad. It's not that bad. The sandwich is still better than both of these things. The sandwich is still better.
Yeah, I would believe it.
This one's done. Trash can. Oh shit.
That was not clean.
That wasn't smart. So, all we have left is the salad and that. But this is huge. This is like a whole meal by itself. So I'm probably gonna save this for later, for supper. And then I'll eat it later. So I do want to try the cheesecake though. So yeah. Yeah, that's fresh, man. That's the bottom of the box. Very fresh looking. The salad is $7.99. Most expensive. This is the heaviest. It's a full meal. This is
Yeah, problems over there.
$3.99. 8-ounce cheesecake. 227 grams. $4. $3.99. And this one is the same price as the other one, like the regular and the chocolate covered one. But this one's better because it has like the cherries and all that. It's basically free. Or you can pick like a chocolate one and like the cheesecake wasn't chocolate, but it had like a covering of chocolate that was just on the bottom part. It didn't go all the way up, but this one just looked better. Let's try this cheesecake out. New York Deli cheesecake. New York Deli. From New York. They shipped it over here on a plane. First class. Had its own seat. It was buckled in first class.
Was it?
Yes.
Was it now?
How dare you?
Do you know what the hell you're talking about?
Shut up right now. What in the bloody hell is going on here? It's good. I identify as
Shut
skinny.
up.
Anyways, like, subscribe, and share. I'm gonna finish this one. Eat this out later. Peace out.